My life, like before I had the treatment, it was very painful. I had shooting pains in my back, and it was going through my legs, and also my muscles were all tensed up against my spine. And every morning I would wake up with the back pain in my lower back, and I would wake up with it, and I needed like about 10 or 15 seconds to I guess to warm it up, and then I could move again. The procedure was really, it was really good. It was I was really comfortable in it, and Dr. Yuosh made me feel really comfortable. And that he explained what he's going to do to me, what is the machine is going to do, how is it going to feel, and it was a great experience. It wasn't hurtful, it wasn't painful. It was just, you just lay down on that table and let just the table do its work. It's really wonderful. Before the treatment, it was hard for me to do things like normal people would do, everyday things. And now after the treatment, I can do things. I can go out, go shopping, and go take walks and go bicycling. I would definitely recommend it. I did not believe this procedure or this treatment, and after, like I said, after 8 treatments and possibly around 20 visits, I can definitely see the change. And especially after the first treatment, I already felt better. And after the 8th treatment, I could feel that I was pain-free. And after like the 20 visits, I was finally able to go back to work.